To migrate Alchemy WebSocket API, you need to understand the basics of WebSocket and how Alchemy works. Alchemy is a platform that provides a suite of APIs and tools for blockchain development, and it uses WebSocket to establish real-time communication between the client and server. First step is to set up a new WebSocket endpoint by creating a new instance of the WebSocket object and passing the Alchemy WebSocket URL to it. The URL typically starts with WSS and includes your Alchemy API key. Next step is to establish a connection to the WebSocket endpoint by calling the connect method on the WebSocket object. Once the connection is established, you can start listening for events and messages from the server by setting up event listeners. One of the key concepts to understand when migrating Alchemy WebSocket API is the concept of subscriptions. Subscriptions allow you to receive real-time updates from the server about specific events or topics. To subscribe to a topic, you need to send a subscription message to the server with the topic you are interested in. For example, if you want to receive updates about new blocks on the Ethereum blockchain, you would send a subscription message with the topic new blocks. Another important concept is the concept of unsubscriptions. If you no longer want to receive updates about a specific topic, you need to send an unsubscription message to the server with the topic you are no longer interested in. Best practice when migrating Alchemy WebSocket API is to handle errors and disconnections properly. You should set up event listeners to handle errors and disconnections and have a plan in place to reconnect to the server if the connection is lost. Additionally, you should make sure to close the WebSocket connection when you are done with it to avoid leaving unnecessary connections open. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can successfully migrate Alchemy WebSocket API and start receiving real-time updates from the server.